Hey everyone, in this video, today I'm going to show you how to embed Vimeo video on WordPress. Embedding a Vimeo video is simple and doesn't require any coding. Without wasting time, let's walk through how to use it safely and correctly, step by step. First, go to Vimeo and open the video you want to embed. Click the Share button and copy the video URL. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the page or post where you want the video to appear. Click Edit to enter the block editor. Now, click the plus icon, search for the Vimeo block, and select it. Paste the copied Vimeo URL into the block and click Embed. WordPress will automatically load the video. Finally, adjust alignment or size using the block settings to match your layout. Then click Update or Publish to save your changes. Thanks for watching.